Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked if f of x is equal to 2x plus ln of x, find f inverse of 2. So if f inverse of 2 equals some value that we want to find, let's call it y, then we know that f of y is equal to 2. So therefore we have to find a value of x where if we plug in to the original function, f of x, we get out 2. So 2 is equal to 2 times y plus ln of y for some y. The reason I'm doing it this way and not finding the inverse function is because finding the inverse function, just like solving this equation, is not easy because we have a logarithm and some extra terms with y's in them not connected to the logarithm. So it's very hard to solve for just y in this equation. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to plug in various points to come up with values of the function at those points and see if any of them hit 2. So for some value y, f of y will equal something. Some points to generally you want to start out with. You could do -1, 0, 1, right? Maybe -2 and 2 if you really need to. We have ln here, so maybe try e, -e, maybe 1 over e, and so on. We just go through these and we see what f of y is. So plugging in all these values into this equation, 2 times -1 plus ln of -1. Logarithms can't take on negative values, so this is undefined. Plugging in 0, 2 times 0 plus ln of 0 is also undefined, right? Has to be greater than 0 for natural log to take it on. So we keep going. 2 times 1 plus ln of 1 is equal to 2 times 1 is 2. ln of 1, we can write it up here. ln of 1 equals z. Since this is log base e, that means e to the z has to equal 1, which is e to the 0. Therefore, z equals 0. So ln of 1 is 0, so 2 plus 0 is 2. And now we don't even have to check any other values because we know that f of 1 equals 2, right? We just calculated it. Therefore, f inverse of 2 equals 1. And we have our answer.